In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a pie chart of Costa Rica's electricity generation by source. So I'm going to use the most recent year to create my pie chart for Costa Rica, that's 2021. I'm going to start by selecting the data that I want to create the pie chart with. That's all of the different sources of electricity generation data for this year. Then I'll click on the Insert Chart button at the top of the screen. I can also go to Insert Menu and click Chart. Under Chart Type, I'm going to scroll down and select Pie. A pie chart in Google Sheets, the default is to give it a column of data, but I've given it a row of data across the screen. So I'm going to check the Switch Rows Columns box to tell Google Sheets that I've given it a row of data. Now you see my data is showing up, but I'm missing labels. It doesn't know what to call this big yellow orange section or this big blue section. So I'm going to go over here to the Add Labels button and click on this little box to select a data range. Once I've clicked on that, I'm going to select the range of the labels, which is in this first row. So it should say electricity data B1 to J1. And press OK, and you can see that the labels have been added. Next, I'm going to fix the title of my graph. I can just double click on the title. And I'm going to call this graph Costa Rica Electricity Generation by Source 2021. So now I have my complete pie chart. I'd like to move this chart to its own sheet so it's not covering up my data. So I'll click on the chart menu, click on Move to Own Sheet, and I've got a nice view of it. It's called Chart 1 right here. I'm going to go down to the menu on the chart and rename it 2021 Electricity by Source. Maybe I'll call it Pi so I remember. Okay. And so now I have my electricity data on one tab and my pie chart 2021 electricity generation by source on another tab. To move this into my notebook, I can click Copy Chart and then paste it. I can also download this chart as an image to put in a report or something like that.